If you're looking to make a sharp statement with your suit arrangements, the Simple Fold will have you looking extra sleek. The Simple Fold has earned its name for a reason. It's a very simple fold, my friend. Don't let its simplicity fool you, though. Sometimes the most simple things in life speak the most volume and elegance. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, let's jump in. Lay the pocket square face down. Fold it in half from right to left. Fold it 3/4 of the way back to the right. Fold it in half from top to bottom. Fold the bottom section up to the back to create a square. Place it in your pocket. Now that you've added an exquisite detail to your ensemble, it's time to head out the door and enjoy the simple life. For our full range of pocket squares, check out OTAA.com. Now smash that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.